Setting up labels, stages, categories, and outcomes helps you organize projects clearly from the start. To begin, open your project. Click on the three dots at the top right corner to open the options menu. From the list, click on Customize. Once the Customize panel opens, choose one of the four options: labels, stages, categories, or outcomes. Labels allow you to tag tasks for quick visual identification. Stages define how work flows through your project. Categories help group related work, especially useful when viewing multiple projects. Outcomes define the final result or goal of the project. Once a label, category, or outcome is created, it becomes available across all task cards in that project. This ensures consistency and makes task management faster and clearer. If you ever need to make changes, simply return to the Options menu, open Customize again, and edit or delete the item from there. Any updates will automatically apply across the project. You can also filter tasks by label, stage, category, or outcome. This helps you focus on specific work and get a much cleaner picture of what's happening in your project.